Anachakula nawe. Nani wewe? Tuswedala enjala tunulira emmere naye bagiyemu egundi ennyama
tetulinawo
netejufu bambi butuyambe gavumenti eveeyo tuyambe kulwensonga newe tukolera watinitini wewati tutunda obumere buki buno bubanyagana nabwo
amayumba bagamenya munywani
mu luzungu kubanga sometimes English is a problem.
And really I'm ungrateful. Reason being that we have a pretense from some of our leaders that were elected. If you look and you put into consideration the same laws that NEMAS is following to demolish and destroy people's items, they are being amended and made from the parliament. And the same budget that NEMA is using to hire vehicles or to come and exploit is the same money that is being passed in our budget. So I ask, or even I have a question is, when they were passing these laws and the funds to facilitate these people to come and break down our items, where were our MPs? Where were they? Were they just sleeping, or maybe they decided to put in the budget and it was passed when these member of parliaments were not in the parliament? That means we have a reluctance and they are not doing their own work.
I'm really disgusted and I'm really very amazed because in NEMA, the meaning of NEMA starts with a man. All these things around us are benefit of man. It's not the first of this kind. For instance, this road. What destruction does it make when it accesses the sewage plant? A lorry going to Janina now has to go all the way to Wise, then back to Janina. I don't blame the MPs. The MPs are powerless. These things, the president, I remember the president saying that we are going to remove all those in a wetland, except the big investors. Now, who is a big investor? To my understanding, a Ugandan, an indigenous Ugandan, should be the one to be termed as a big investor. We have a lot of paper to do. We have something cooking, and we are going to cook it. We are not going to leave this unchallenged. We are following it up to the end.
Well, our prayer to the government of Uganda, first of all, to compensate all the people who are here. Most of them, their things were demolished by the government. These people have been here, some of them have been here for the last 5 years. for the last 6 years. But what we need from the government to compensate these people are parents. They have some of their requirements which they are supposed to fulfill to their children. But as we talk now, most of them are homeless. So our prayer to the government to compensate these people. As we speak now, most of them are going to take the legal action. And this legal action must be put in order by the government of Uganda. So our prayer to the government to compensate these homeless people, to feed them, because this is required even the constitution of Uganda.
Mwana tulisolidi nnyo kuguno omulembe tupangapanga tubeerewo buli we tuyiyiza batugobawo tulinga abatale bannayuganda oba ensi bagitunda batubuulire ese tubonyabonya eringa etali yaffe buli kyogezaako opanga nga bagamba vaawo kati omuntu addibwa siri munyarwanda siri mulundi nti naagenda e Burundi tukole tutya kuba kati wano nkolerawo bukolezi sisulawo nawo bangobyewo ninawo bandewo n'akalimba ka mobile money wano ne taxi wezi wano zituweereza ku kasente kati basimuddewo tunaddawa gye tusula nayo bamenyeeyo obaddemu essuubi ekolera wano ddemu wezimba obulamu buzuukuke nawo baze bakugobyewo omuntu akole ki okunyirira nsonga kubeera tubadde tufuna naye kati tetukyafuna ekyokuba tujjayo ebintu byaffe byonna naye kinumya nnyo omukulembeze gwanje Yoweri Kaguta Museveni emirembe gyalwanirira ate gyali mu kusanja mu kaseera kaneeno lwaki njogera kuba toyinza kulaba bannayuganda beetandikira emirimu gyabwe n'amayumba ganojja n'ogambye ate nga tobasasula
nazaalibwa 1979 nga bwondaba face mama wange bamusala bwe bati ewanirwere bombo okulira meja zizinga ne bamutta n'afa nzize wano ndeeyiye jjajjange yafa ate era ne bantulugunya kati abaana mbaliise ekyo bansomere kuki.
They can be helped by giving them some little money, some finances, whereby they can be able to take care of their family or to get places where they can go and live with their families. Because they saw them building homes, they saw them settling in this area without any help, without any advice, without any concern. They've been having a full ministry, full departments, full the officers working within those departments, in charge of seeing that people should not settle in these areas like Lubigi. And they don't have any concern, any attachment to these people. They have army, they have soldiers who have been come and take care of these areas and keep them in the way they want them to be as wetlands. So without providing that, the government is supposed to protect Ugandans. That's what we need. It's supposed to protect Ugandans in such areas, in such incidences.